Hello guys, hope you all are doing good. So guys, today we are going to talk about 2023 Nio EC7. Guys, is 2023 Nio EC7 has 920 km range, enough to outrun any electric SUV. The Nio EC7 is a luxury electric SUV coupe developed by the Chinese company Nio. It boasts a spacious and stylish interior designed to feel like a lounge, as well as advanced technology features in the cabin. Guys, the EC7 has an impressive driving range of nearly 600 miles on a single charge. The Audi Q8 e-tron Sport Pack is a competitor to the Nio EC7, which was unveiled at Nio annual event. It is the most stylish and sporty version of the Nio ES7 SUV, which was recently released. The Q8 e-tron Sport Pack is expected to be available in Chinese dealerships starting in May 2023. Guys, it is not clear at this time if the Nio EC7 will be available in Europe market. While Nio's chairman William Lee did not mention any plans for a Europe debut during unveiling of the EC7, it is possible that the company may consider bringing the vehicle to Europe in the future. Guys, Nio has recently entered the entrepreneur market with the ES7 known as EL7 outside of China, an ET5 and ET7 sedan, so it is possible that the EC7 may follow. However, it is important to note that these are just speculations, and the availability of EC7 in the Europe market has not been officially confirmed by the company. The new EC7 is marked as a high-performance, luxurious electric vehicle with a spacious and stylish interior design to feel like living room. It is equipped with advanced technology such as the lidar device on the roof and 32 high-precision sensors for level 4 and autonomous driving capability. Guys, these features make the EC7 one of the most advanced electric vehicle on the market. The Nio EC7 shares the same platform as the ES7, has dimensions of 4,968mm in length and 1,974mm in width and 2,960mm wheelbase. These dimensions put it competition with other mid-size electric SUVs such as the BMW iX, the Audi Q8 e-tron and the upcoming Polestar 3. Guys, the EC7 size and features make it strong contender in the market for high performance and luxury electric SUVs. Guys, the Nio EC7 is equipped with a twin-turbo motor 4-wheel drive powertrain that generates 644 horsepower and 850 Nm, 627 pound-feet of torque with powertrain that allows EC7 to accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 3.8 seconds, which is slightly faster than the ES7 due to its small design. The impressive acceleration combined with the EC7 luxurious features and advanced technology made it a competitor in the market for high-performance electric SUVs. Guys, the new EC7 boasts a coefficient of drag of 0.23, making it the most efficient SUV on the market, according to the company. To achieve this low coefficient of drag, the EC7 features a sloping roof and advanced airflow optimizing technology such as an active front grille, shutter and active spoiler. These design elements contribute to the EC7's impressive performance and fuel efficiency. Guys, the new EC7 has an impressive driving range due to its design and efficient powertrain. According to Nio, the EC7 can travel up to 489 km 304 miles on a single charge when equipped with a standard 75 kW battery and up to 635 km 395 miles with a larger 100 kW battery. Guys, these range numbers are make the EC7 competitive with other electric SUV on the market. Guys, the new EC7 is also available with a top-tier 150 kW battery pack, which gives it a maximum driving range of 920 km 572 miles, according to the company. This range is among the highest of any electric vehicle currently on the market. It is important to note that these range numbers are based on China's CLTC homology cycle, which tends to provide higher value than the WLTP method used in Europe. As such, the actual range of the EC7 may vary depending on the testing method and driving condition. If it were released in Europe market, the new EC7 150 kW battery pack will be the largest available for purchase. The 118 kW capacity of the Audi Q8 55 e-tron, however, it is still not as large as the projected 200 kW battery of the GMC Hummer or the 118 kW battery of the Lucid Air sedan. which has a range of 520 miles on a single charge. It is worth nothing that the actual range of any electric vehicle can vary depending on variety of factors such as driving conditions, terrain, and temperature. Guys, the Nio EC7 like of Nio's previous model. It is designed to be compatible with the company power swap battery swapping station, which offer a fastest and more convenient alternative to traditional charging method. At the unveil of the EC7, Nio also introduced a new third generation power swap station, which is capable of handling over 400 battery charges per day. These power swap stations provide a convenient and efficient way to Nio EC7 owners to extend the driving range of their vehicle. So guys, that's all. Kindly subscribe our channel so you never missed any update. Thank you.